CryptoEL here. Welcome, subscribe to the channel and let's start with the video. Today we're gonna talk about GMGN and a little bit about the update of my portfolio and about BullX. So first of all, I wanna say that I tried copy trading. I've been talking in the last video about copy trading, we'll show you in a bit. But this is the results. As you can see, those are the results. I lost like half of a Solana because of that, like $100 and something. And as you can see, I didn't do anything. Absolutely ridiculous. The profit is minus $5. So I put like $5 per trade, and some of them were more. But as you can see, everything is lost, and I have a little bit of pluses in here, which are completely lost because of the transaction fees. And now I'm gonna show you why you should not copy trade anyone from this type, from this thing here. Those are the people that I'm trading, I'm copying, and as you can see, I didn't even wait it. I purely, because most of the people will just fold when they are on losing streak. If I'm gonna show you, let's check. Let's say we click Sky AI. The market cap is 1.7 million. Also, I want to mention that it will be prefer to use the links in description for GMGN and BullX, of course. This will help the channel. Thank you for that. And let's see what we have. We have folders. So let's see those. This is on 1 minute, but let's say on 1 second. On 1 second, the people that you're copying, when they buy, let's say they will buy here, and because they will buy, let's say $5,000, the candle will go up. The candle will go a little bit up, let's say to here, and you're gonna be copying their trades, right? So that means that you're gonna buy after them. So their trade will be here or somewhere here, your trade will be here, and you already lost what, 15%. You are already on loss. And this is not a good example of a token, but let's say, because this is a big thing, let's say they will buy here, and until your transaction went, you will buy somewhere here. Those are the actual things. Not that high, but could happen. And all of a sudden, you lost a lot of money, but not in your person that you copy, because he will buy before you. And if he has, let's say 100%, some of the people have hundreds of percents, like they never lose. And let's check to find someone like that. You go on rank, and as you can see, the first person in here will have 100% win rate. Crazy PNL, 9,000%. And actually this guy is not losing anything. But see now. Let's check another one, because those one is not on losing PNL now. At least for now. And those people are exactly hunting for people like you, because you will copy them and they will scam you, will use you for liquidity. I've been talking about that in the previous video, but not in those details. This guy here has unrealized profits, minus $85,000. What that means? That means that he has losing positions like this, which he just holds. He is 100%, close to 100% on minus, you can see, and he will never sell those positions, because if he do, his win rate will go lower. So you have to check every single wallet and be sure to not copy trade them strictly from the platform. You can use simply a wallet tracker. I have some in my airdrops. You can use that, and the wallet tracker will tell you when actually this guy is buying. And when this guy buy, you have to make your own research, not buy directly, not doing those things. Those are for, don't know what's that, pay boost. Interesting, have to check it. But as you can see here, and I show you proof, my wallet, I lost half of Solana strictly because I didn't knew that. I actually knew it, but I didn't actually I was not prepared to see those many transactions because the wallet that I was following, he don't like 20 transactions. You can see here, like the one, this guy done 15 transactions and this guy done 6. That means that this guy bought 15 times, and every time when he bought, I will put the same amount, like not the same amount, but I will buy. So I bought 15 times for what? $2-3. And my house Solana went nowhere, as you can see, all of that. And actually he never sold. That's why I sold it automatically, because it's been more than 24 hours. Only those were on profit, everything else were just like I sold it. And he was simply holding it because he was on losing streak, most of them. And he will never even sell. That's why you don't want to copy trade those people. Be sure to not do that. Simply follow, and I can do a guide about that, but simply look around for good wallets and simply follow them. As you can see, this person, this could be the dev. So let's say this guy don't put $180 and make 30k. Let's check him for a second. This simply copying it. Okay, that was his wallet. And we are seeing 16,000%. Actually, he's probably some insider and he holds a lot of from this. And he didn't even sell it. So we have that in here right now, waiting. He's not even selling. He sold a little, but he didn't sold anything, everything, I mean, as you can see. He bought those 2 times and he sold thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So this guy is some kind of insider, and he is a potential to buy in different coins like that, and it will be better for you to follow him and to simply play around. So this is actually what you would like to do, and not copying them straight from here and do the thing that I showed you, because you're gonna be on a losing streak. Of course you can win, but you have to have a lot of money and a big capital, because if you do that and you never sell, of course you will find some coins, but you have to have a lot and big capital. So I'm not recommending that. So use the link in the description. This platform is crazy. Also BullX. This is my BullX for a couple days. I done those percents, of course with little amounts, because I was simply playing around. As you can see, I have a lot of losses as well, but most of them were already here from the previous video. So I kind of have more wins now, but I'm simply playing around. Of course I lost money because of the transaction. And another thing I can say as advice, you would like to not put less than $10, because it will take you too much for transactions. Of course you can, but it's hard, it's hard. So nowadays the crypto market, the meme coin market is kinda different. It's not like a year ago. So what I wanted to share with you also is the update of my portfolio. As you can see here, I have a little bit. I lost like half Solana here as well. Never mind. Here I showed you I lost half Solana, and that is paying you. In the last episode, I showed you how I don't like $120, $130. With this, with the $120, $130, I actually snipe a token. I put all of them. They were like, I put 0.7 Solana. I had a little bit more. So I put 0.7 Solana in the token, and I done with the bonk bot, and I done, as you can see, 600%. And I done what? 4.2 Solana. Actually, I done that with the 0.7. So I done 4.2, and the 0.7 I done something like 5 Solana, and it was $950, which I put in some CopyTrade, most of it like 500. Some I have in my here in the wallet, and the rest are in the bots here. I already lost in here. As you can see, I done close to $1,000, and for the next year it will be the goal to reach 1,000,000, because the time has passed, and be sure to take advantage of the market. Of course, for the past couple days it's been it's been not a good thing. I didn't done many profits or something. As you can see, I done that. What? As you can see, I lost. Here I gain a little bit, as you can see, bought on 9 and sell on 16. Then again I bought and lost a little. Here I lost, here I lost, here I lost 30-40%. This is only for yesterday. And I had friends that done good percentages, as you can see here, probably 70%. But you have to be really careful. You have to follow the coins. The best practice is simply to stay in here, to put the proper filters. I can share that as well. And to simply look, this coin is not that bad, as you can see, all green. Let's check the website. Meow. They have TikTok. So the TikTok is okay, 3 million followers. Is that a real thing? Okay, that's not that bad thing, but as you can see, it's probably already gone, or could be. You can check it if you have new BullX new, it will be easier. If you don't, you can see from here the wallets, or simply copy it and check it in the GMGN or in the deck screener, but here it will be the easiest. As you can see, we have like what, 0.7 of insiders, so that's nothing, or they already sold. You can see here the people, the trades they do with $200, 2,000, with 200, 1,500, and they already done some money. So you can play around, look around. That was probably not the real, that's probably not the real token of this TikTok, but if it was, you will gonna do some access. That's why be sure to make your own research always and search for those wallets. They will help you, but you don't want to copy trade with the CopyTrade. All right. Okay, so oh, that was kind of good dump. And that was it for today. Be sure to use the links, and of course, happy Christmas for those that today is what, the last day, or it's already been. yesterday. So if we didn't see each other these days, Happy New Year after that. And we have to dominate. We simply have to. That's why. Thank you for your time and let's build that. See you soon.